Jason Reynolds is a New York Times best-selling author. His books, When I Was the Greatest, As Brave as You, and Miles Morales' Spider-Man are pretty popular with young adults, which of course includes the young adults at the Neosho High School Jefferson Street campus. He spoke to the kids today in a 45-minute virtual event. The students also received paperback copies of Reynolds' book, Look Both Ways, a tale told in 10 blocks. It struck a chord with at least one student.
I'm just going to read the first page and just toss it out. But after getting hooked on it, I was like, I can relate to this book and author and about everything he says. So I just kept on reading all his books and I just enjoy it. They really uplift me. They encourage me to just keep doing me. And
happens a lot with books, the good ones anyway. 8 schools across the country were selected as part of this virtual tour.